I bought this Harbor Freight brad nailer slash stapler some time ago, probably a little more than a year. It really has saved me countless hours on assembling my little projects that I sell in a monthly market. My name is Andy. This is Epeius Garage. I thought it would be worth giving this brad nailer a review. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. This is the 18 gauge 2-in-1 air nailer slash stapler. The brand is Central Pneumatic, and it retails at Harbor Freight for around $30, probably depending on the area you're in. And you can compare it to the Porter cable, which retails for around $70. It features a lightweight design, 2.7 pounds, quick release nose piece for fast clearing of jams. I've never had a jam, at least not yet. Single sequential tip safety trigger, and a 360-degree rotatable exhaust. Working PSI is 70 to 110. The fastener length is 5/8 to 1.5 inch staples and 5/8 to 2 inch brad nails. According to the box, this might cause cancer in California, so all my California friends, watch out. If you're making anything at all in a shop or garage, I highly recommend you get a brad nailer of some type. I used to assemble all my projects, like bird feeders, squirrel feeders, all the different stuff I make and sell in markets, using just little nails and a hammer. That is ridiculous. This has saved me a ton of time. I mostly use it for projects that are going to have glue. I use the nailer to nail it all in place, and it holds while the glue dries, and then you can continue to work. It's very effective and efficient. I know some folks have bad thoughts about Harbor Freight tools, cheap tools, and it can be hit and miss when you're dealing with Harbor Freight tools. But as far as this tool goes, in my opinion, it's been a 5-star experience for me. I've had 0 jams, 0 issues with the tool as of yet. And you also got to make sure to maintain it. So after every use, I go ahead and I add a couple drops of tool oil into the air inlet, and then I apply the air inlet plug, and all that comes with the tool. Hey, I hope this helps somebody. Y'all make sure you're staying safe, having fun. Andy out.